Welcome to another Booking Koala tutorial. If you don't have Booking Koala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about Booking Koala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with Booking Koala.
Today, I'm going to show you how to set different prices for the first cleaning and recurring cleanings in your home cleaning business. Plus, I'll show you how to display both prices in the summary box. Let's get started. Go to Settings, then Industries. Choose the form that you want to modify. Click Frequencies. If you want the first appointment of a recurring service to always have the same length as a one-time appointment, choose the box, Exclude First Appointment, and use Original One-Time Job Length. A higher discount is offered for more frequent appointments and some businesses that base their discounts on frequency. Choose whether the discount should be applied to all bookings or if the first book should be excluded from the discount if you are going to set a frequency discount. Thank you for watching.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.